Bro, why you a behave and a go on like you never spend 500 years on a farm? They never told us. So I'm on my way to the gym right now. Get a soul session. Yesterday was great at the gym. I really liked yesterday. But I eat some mango in the evening yesterday and I feel like I couldn't feel the workout no more. And I really enjoyed yesterday's workout. Maybe I shouldn't have eaten those mangoes, to be honest. Because the workout vibe, the workout feeling went away. And I'm trying to get that feeling back. So I'm going to the gym today. Today is Thursday. The last day of this week for gym life. So I'm going to get that soul session in today. And then I'll come back and I'll talk to you some more, alright? Yeah. But you're going to see it instantly. But it is what it is. You know what I'm talking about. Hi, what's up, YouTube? Right now I'm going to go to so I got back from the gym and I'm just chilling here. I'm going to go to my shipping company now to pick up the rest of the stuff that I bought off Amazon. I'm really excited for this stuff. It's a lot of gym stuff. A gym mat and a thing to stretch me. Like, I'll show you when I get them. I have an ab roller and a thing to do push-ups when I'm at home. So I can do some abs and some push-ups when I'm at home, like even today's Thursday, so I'm not going to the gym tomorrow and for the rest of the weekend. I'm going to start back my diet over the weekend. So over the weekend I can use the things that I got from, and they just message me so that they have arrived. So I can use the ab roller and the gym mat to do some stretches, because sometimes all they need is a good stretch. Today at the gym was stretch day too. Stretch out the muscle with weights and all of that. Yeah. Today was a good day at the gym. It was mainly my shoulder blade was stretching. I feel like it was going to break, but it wasn't going to break. It was just stretching out, because like sometimes to correct your posture, all you need to really do is to stretch your muscle out properly. Release the tension out of some muscles so that your posture can be corrected, is what the trainer was saying. He knows more about it than I do. So he was doing what he does. And I was just doing what he's telling me to do, So I'm off to the place now. Let's go. And also I bought a filter too to put on the lens. There's a filter on it now, but this one does nothing. So I bought 2 filters, a polarizing filter. One that one's blocks out all reflection. So if I wanted to take a picture through a window or video something through a window, it's not going to show the reflection of what's going on outside. It's just going to cut right through the window and take the picture through the window. Or I'll show you them when I get them. And then the other one is a MD filter. So if the sun is bright out, you're not going to see nothing. If I go out in the sun right now with the camera, you're not going to see me much. It's going to be bright. But with the MD filter, I can turn down the brightness on it. There's a thing I can turn down on this too to make it, but I don't want to turn that down because that's gonna make the quality more poor. I should tell you, I can turn down the f-stop. I can turn up the f-stop on it. You don't know what I'm talking about. You don't know about cameras, alright? Yeah. The ISO, even if the ISO is at the lowest, I'll tell you when I get the thing. Peace. So I just picked up my shipment from Amazon. 2 big boxes. It's bigger than I thought it would be. That's what she said. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home now. When I get home, I'll unbox it and let you see what's happening inside. Alright? It's a mini gym setup, at home type of thing, and all of that. No weights, so yeah. I have this car all along now, and I never know that there was a brake light right here. That's crazy. Hi, what's up, YouTube? So I'm here and I'm at home now and I'm about to do the unboxing. Boxes are right there. I'm gonna cut it open with a knife and get in it. Get right in there. Look at this box. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. That's what she said. That's what she said, Start with the box on top. The one on top feels lighter. see what's in. I think there's only one thing in this box. There's only one thing inside it. And it's a gym mat, I think. And the next box has a lot of things in it. Looks like they tear it open, man. Like they have to tear it open to see what's inside it. What the mom wants to say? Yeah, this looks nice. This is a big mat. This is a big gym mat, bro. Look at this. Look at the roll. This is a big gym mat. This is a big yoga mat. And this is the thing to close it up. So this is the first thing that I unboxed today. It's a yoga mat from Amazon. It's Amazon based right here. Amazon based yoga mat. It's look really nice. Should I open it? Should I open it? It's just a yoga mat. It's a big mat. I'm just gonna do my meditation on the mat. It's thick too, like it feels comfortable, like you can sleep on it. So it's just a yoga mat, that is. See what's in this box. This box empty. Yeah, this box is empty. Nothing else is in this. That was just the box for the yoga mat. I think they might sound like them a drop. So right, them go inside of them, man. Yeah, they go inside of these. Let's see what's in there. Them so nosy. Alright. So let's do this. Let's see what else is in there. So there's a lot of things in here. There's a lot of things in here. So I'm gonna take them out one by one, and let you see what's happening. So this is the filter. This is the MD filter. The first thing is the MD filter. This is gonna be. This is the thing that's gonna make when it's bright outside. I put this filter on it. I put this filter over the lens, and it should darken it up a bit so that it's more easy on the eyes. It's better to watch, you know? You get a softer video. It's good for photography too. I wonder if you can use it, the lens. Look at this. I want to try it with the lens hood. So this is what you're going to see if it's dark. Hold on, let me go to the minimum. Look, see, you can't see nothing. You see, you can see me now? You can't see nothing. So this is going to block out the sunlight. And then the more I screw it like this, ooh, that's look nice. You can't see nothing. So what I'm doing is I'm just screwing it. It's a max on it. I want to see, it's a max. There's a maximum darkness on it, and there's a minimum. So when I do like this, you can see me. But the color kind of look different. You see that? Kind of look nicer, right? Kind of look nicer. So this is what I'm gonna put on on the lens. This is what I'm gonna put on the lens, so that you can see me in the daytime. So the vlogs would be nicer. Okay? Yeah, I really like this. This is a must-have for a vlogger like myself. Should I put it back in the case? So this is a must-have for a vlogger such as myself. The other one, let me see, is this the other one? This is a polarizer, yeah. This polarizer is for blocking out reflection. So you know the sun reflects on the clouds, so that's why the clouds appear to be bright, right? So this mic can do a little bit of what that can do, but it's different. You see, it can do a little bit of what that can do because it's blocking out reflection, but it's not the same. You see, I'm bright because the light from the ring light is reflecting on my face, but this block out the reflection. So you're not seeing no reflection of the light. You're seeing little bit of reflection of the light on my face. The more I screw it, the less reflection of the light from the ring light you're gonna see. It blocks out reflection. It's different from this. This blocks out light. This blocks out reflection of light. It's different. but they're both useful. And it has comes with a nice little pod that I can store it in. I really like this. This is nice. I'm doing an unboxing. Yeah, this has a little pod too for this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use the MD filter. This is the MD filter. The next one is a polarizer. The next thing that this is good for, you see, when you're taking pictures, when you're in water, like you're at the river or you're at the beach, it cuts right through the water. If you take a regular picture, the light from the sun is going to reflect on top of. This is why I bought this one. The light is going to reflect off the water, so you can't really see nothing in the water. This with the polarizing filter, it can cut through the water, so you can see everything that's going on in the water. This just black out light. So this one can go fully dark or not so dark. But I'm going to use this one more for vlogging, like in the daytime. And I'm going to use this one for like taking pictures or whatever. When I want to block out reflection of light, okay? So that's that for the filters. Let me see what this is here. What is this? Oh, this is a magnet bracelet. They say that the magnet bracelet is good for circulation in the body, right? And it's good for you. Because I'm going to the gym, it says that it helps you recover from any injury that you're facing of any kind. So it's good for that. So that's why I bought this one. And I know somebody that had one, and they recommended. I already had one too. I already had a. This is it. It's just a magnet bracelet. It's black. Put it on your hand, and it should be therapeutic for you. Why did I get large? Can the large fit me? It should be able to fit me. It should be able to fit me. This is my little magnet bracelet. See it? Something wrong here somewhere. Shouldn't get large enough. I should have get a medium one. But it is what it is. I'm putting on my bracelet. I can feel the magnetic energies already. So I already have one of these. I already had one of these. I can show you the one that I had. The one that I had didn't have enough magnet. Didn't have a lot of magnet in it. It's kind of weak, to be honest. This one is more magnetic. It's better. I'll put it on later. It's being stubborn. It's being stubborn right now. I'm gonna put it on later. So let me show you what else is happening in here. This is a little crystal thing. I like crystals. I got one of these. The first time I got one of these was as a gift, and I really like them. So I bought another one. This is the one that I got. It's really beautiful. I'm just gonna have it as like a decoration in my house. It have a little flowers thing in it. This is my third one I got now. Right? They're really nice. This one is tiger's eye, for those who are into crystals. I just like the look of it. They say that it provides good energy for you. And if it does, then good. But I like the look of it. It was beautiful. It was cheap on Amazon, so I put it on the cart, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it right there. Keep it right here somewhere. Somewhere on my desk. Right there. You did? Or somewhere on my desk. That's where I'm gonna keep it. Let me see what else is happening in here. This is an ab roller, look. Look at what I have here. It's an ab roller. It's hope you can see it, you know, because I can't really. You see the reflection of the light on this? If I put on the other filter, you're not gonna see no reflection. But it is what it is for right now. It look like they opened it too. They already opened it. They be in my business. I don't know why they're in my business like this. This is a lot of stuff. You get some pads. You get some pads to put your feet on. I can use this as an at-home thing. You get, this is some parts to put your knees on when you're doing the ab roll. This is a part of the ab roller, I guess. Now this was cheap. This was less than $50. So it shows some exercise that you can do. They show you what it's good for. All your body. You can work out all your body using it. See it here, the roller. This roller looks fire. And then you have the thing. Oh, you must stuck together. What is it? Oh. This is the things for the push-up. Them feel like good quality. Very good quality. I'd recommend them. Then you put this inside here, I think, and then you put this inside here, I think. There's another one. There's another one. Put this inside here too. And there you have it. You have a ab roller right there. You're building your abs at home. You got your abs at home. Your homemade abdominals. You got homemade abs. And this now, you put this in here, I think, yeah, this is for the push-up. So that's one. You connect this here. This you can do your push-up at home. You put it down like this. Flat, firm, brother. They made this, whoever made these, they know what they were doing. The ab roller feel firm. This feel very comfortable. It has a little thing on it. So it's not gonna cushion. It's gonna cushion your arm. You know, for those who don't want to spend money on the gym, you can buy one of these. You can buy one of these. Get your body right. Do some push-ups. Buy the box. There's a little box it come in. You get this is 6-in-1. I can do my push-ups right there. These things now. So what is this box? I shouldn't have another box. Why do I have another box? These things, what are these? I should have get something else, you know, something to help me. Something to help me stretch. Something is missing. Maybe this is what it is. Let's see what's in this box. Let's see what's in this box here. Everything upon this and this. Let me see what this is. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, this! I know I did forget something else. So this is a roller. For those who go to the gym, they know you know exactly what this is. It's a roller to roll out your muscles after a workout. I'll get off this after this. You can keep your water bottles in here. You screw off this. You can store like your key, your wallet, if your wallet can hold in there. And this is a thing. This is what I mainly wanted. When I was buying all of these, this is what I mainly wanted. I can't believe I forget about it. But sometimes I'm at home on the weekends and I don't have a roller. At the gym you have a whole lot of rollers. This is good for like your foot bottom. Sometimes you must in severe pain. You can like this can roll out like your muscles right here, like right now. My biceps, I did a lot of biceps this week. I can roll out here. Just roll this on my biceps. I like right here. Today I did a lot of shoulders. I can roll this here to do the damage. You know, you can get it out. This is the thing for stretching. This is the thing for stretching. I'll give you a demonstration of it. There's a lot of things in here. These are 2 little bars. This is why this is really heavy. 2 little bars. This is for more like, give me some demonstrations of what's going on right here. This is for more like if you are feeling some type of pain in like your thigh area, you can like rub out the pain, you know? Like if you're in your arms, like right in these areas. Yeah, I'm not feeling no pain right there right now. Sure, these are for rolling out your muscles, you know? Relief in the pain. So that's why I got these. Now this is the main one. This is for like your back, your thigh. You can use this anywhere. You can use this on your biceps too. Just lay down on the ground on it. You can put down my yoga mat there on the ground and lay on my back and just roll out. You can roll out what this woman is rolling out right here. Your calf here. Yeah, so I bought these things because I'm a gym rat, baby. I be in the gym a lot, so I need these. I need these at home, you know. I need to have my at home stuff. Let me see what else is in here. This is the main thing that I wanted. Yeah. This thing, they say that this is very good. It's just 3 roller things. They say it's very good for like rolling out like them places. Okay. Yeah, roll out them places. Roll out them places. What's his name? Roll them out. Yeah. I like this. It's a good buy. Very good buy this. Less than $50. I didn't buy nothing for more than $50. This now. This is very good for if you want it. This is for, it has a lot of hooks on it. So it's just a piece of like, with a lot of hooks thing on it. A lot of hooks on it. It's for stretching your body out. Really good. You know, stretch is very important, you know. I can put it in my foot like this. Stretch my arm. Stretch out my, you call that area, my hamstrings really quick. You know what I mean? Yeah, and pull it like that. Yeah. As a gym man, these things are very important. Yeah, and that's what I got. This is my Amazon haul. Right? So please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll give you like maybe a further demonstration of them. Like outside or some crazy like that. I don't know, yeah. Peace. So this is an outside video with the MD filter. Let me go in the bright sun. So bright sun. And then I can just boom. Tone down the sun, alright? Boom. And walk around vlogging with it. I like how it look. I don't know how it look. I'm gonna have to look at it inside.